So we are heading to Dimapur. The traveling time will be 38 hours by the Rajdhani. Hello sir. How are you sir?
I'm fine, sir.
Wait, hello. This is camping, hello. Chal ha, bye bye. Up बैठो. This is New Delhi railway station. Station now. पूरी कैसे तेरा? क्या क्या डाल दिया? हाँ थोड़ा ज़्यादा डाल. This is the पूरी. This is the मिर्ची. ये है सोयाबीन का है. जलपाईगुड़ी स्टेशन. इसके FCC दाल राइस enjoy a lot. So far so good. Chicken. Really very nice. Very nicely. Done.
My hotels will have hotels.
It is Guwahati. We reached safely at Dimapur station. Just now we land now. We will be holding here for 4 hours. This is the Dimapur station. See, very beautiful. This is the sculpture. They are sit on the fire. This is the station, and people's lying on the ground and waiting for the next train to. Front view of the Dimapur railway station, Nagaland. Very nice since at midnight. Hello, good morning Dimapur. Sit along with my luggage here. I'll be enjoying this my trip. Thank you so much. See you very soon.